If you're an eBay business and still haven't generated $5,000 a month or more, then you need this tool. So tools make the world go round and make you generate more money, just like 3D sellers. It's specifically for eBay, and it has one of the best tools in there. And if we go, we can see that our client generated in the last 7 days $2,000 a month. This is a new client, very exciting to get that type of sales on eBay in 7 days. So they're on track to do around at least $6,000 a month or more. Now, the first thing that this tool offers is to rank higher, right? And it uses special backend data and AI. So what it does is, let's say you're selling this listing right here, and this is just a backpack. You can click on the button right here that says SEO. So click on that button after you go, and this is under one of the tools that it offers, and you can actually generate back-end keywords and meta descriptions. You pretty much can't do this yourself if you're on eBay, but what this does is it goes into eBay's system and goes into the back end of your listing and puts all the back-end keywords in for you, so you show up higher on eBay and even rank on Google and Bing, which is awesome. You can see generate all SEO fields with AI, generate with AI, mobile description, meta description, keywords. It'll even do the back end image alt tags, which nobody's doing themselves for eBay. That's definitely going to help you get that extra boost, because everything counts in getting ahead on eBay. And even they even have an article on it. And it says, what is eBay SEO? Boost search rank with eBay metadata. So this is pretty much going to help you show up on page number 1. And it's definitely a tool that you want to use. Very easy. You just click a couple buttons and you're good to go. Now, the next thing is going to be scarcity bias. Nobody does this. But if you have an item, let's say you're selling tennis balls on eBay. You've got tons of tennis balls, right? You want to generate as many sales as possible. And the easiest way on eBay is to produce scarcity, right? Scarcity, which is a bias. And what you can do is, on the same page I was just on, you scroll to the right, but instead of clicking SEO, you go to this section and it says warehouse inventory control up to quantity. You turn this on, and this is how many units you actually have. Let's say I have 200 units, 200 tennis balls that I'm selling. But I say only show that we have 3 left. So what happens is, when somebody purchases our item on eBay, let's say they purchase 1, they're like, oh my God, there's only 3 left. Let me purchase 1 or purchase all 3. What happens is it deducts from your warehouse and it automatically relists the listing, or it changes the quantity of your listing back to 3. So it tricks the customer. And here's an example. If we're looking at tick collars, they're doing it right here. And I've seen it happen, right? It says there's only 3 available. And on eBay, it says almost gone, right? Almost, oh my gosh, it's almost gone. Last one, or almost gone, which is huge. That helps you generate more sales. But what you do is, what happens is, when somebody purchases this item and they purchase, let's say 2 or 3, you're like, oh my gosh, I bought it, I'm so happy. Then it automatically relists and there's 3 available again. And I've been seeing this happening because the units sold keep going up, but the amount available stays the same. And this tool is one of the strongest tool and the fastest ways to generate sales on eBay, right? Last but not least is going to be automatic messages. And this is huge if you're a big seller. What happens is, sometimes sellers have a bad day and maybe they haven't gotten to their messages that day, or it's a weekend, they're traveling, they're having a good time, and they check on eBay and you got a negative review. What this does is it automatically messages the customer right when a negative review hits. And it says, hey, I'm a small business. I just saw you left a negative review. I'm happy to give you a refund or a replacement. What would you like? I'm here to help you, because one negative review destroys my whole business. And what this does is this helps you fix the customer's problem, because you automatically reached out. Now the customer feels special, and this increases the chances of you getting that negative review removed exponentially. Because as you know, if you wait a week or a few days and then you message the customer, it's too late. They don't want to respond. But if you respond right when they leave the negative review, they're going to be surprised. They're going to be like, oh my gosh, this person's on top of it. And they're more likely to respond. Now, if you need help with implementing any of these, generating sales on eBay, not only are we Amazon consultants, but we are eBay experts and eBay consultants. We'll help you manage your account, help you grow your sales. And the link's right below in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.